हाय सौम्या, क्या हाल चाल?
हे शाश्वत।
क्या चल रहा है? क्यों परेशान है?
यार क्या बताऊं, हम प्लानिंग टू बाय न्यू पेयर ऑफ ईयरबड्स बट कोई अच्छे ही नहीं लग रहे। किसी में बेस अच्छा नहीं है तो किसी का साउंड अच्छा नहीं है तो किसी की कॉल क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है।
Have you tried the new earbuds by Nothing?
नहीं।
I have them. Just check this out. और बता इसका बेस कैसा है?
इट लुक्स नाइस।
या रुक जा, एक सॉन्ग चलाता हूँ। हो गया कनेक्ट?
डन। हाँ।
आई बेट तो इसकी फुल वॉल्यूम नहीं सुन सकती।
इसका बेस तो काफी अच्छा है।
Yeah, it has. Hi all, welcome to India TV. I am Shashwat Bhandari. Today I have got you the review of another new exciting gadget, and it's nothing. Not nothing, but nothing as a technology brand, as it has come up with its new truly wireless earbud, the Ear 2. So let's talk about what Nothing's next generation earbuds, the Ear 2, has to offer us. Well, speaking about design, then it's pretty much similar to the Ear 1, except for few tweaks here and there. The Ear 2 is comparatively smaller in size when compared to the Ear 1. Speaking about the sound quality, then I would say that Nothing has made a major improvement in this. With the Nothing Ear 2, the company has made a massive improvement in its sound quality. Any person who has used the Ear 1 can definitely tell the difference in Ear 2. The new Ear 2 has made a massive improvement in its bass output. It's more deep, crisp surround and doesn't even throttle even if you're listening music on high volume. So for those who love bass, these new earbuds 2 are for them. It almost feels like a home theater experience. Speaking about active noise cancellation, then I would say that the brand has made improvement in this section also. It now offers up to 40 dB active noise cancellation and works perfectly well even if you're in outdoor environment, listening to calls or listening to music. I've tried it and I can say that the company has made a major improvement. Talking about some other features which the new earbuds has to offer, then it now has a customizable equalizer support, something which was missing in Ear 1, with 4 presets available if you connect it via the Nothing X app. In terms of accessibility and controls for quick actions such as play pause music, answering or declining a call, or even activating the ENC, the company has replaced the old touch function with a new pinch gesture, which I would say is more easy to use. So these were the good things about the new Nothing's Ear 2, but are there any drawbacks? Yes, there is one, and it's a major one, and is its battery issue. Well, on one full charge, it only gave me up to 3 hours of music playback with ANC on, which I would say it's pretty much less than what other brands have to offer in the market. So I would say that Nothing should improve in this section because it overshadows all the good things about the Nothing's new Ear 2. But overall, I would say that it's a good product available in the market right now under Rs 10,000 price tag. It offers an overall good music output with a very good bass, but only if you can compromise with its battery issue. In terms of comfort, the Ear 2 is easy on your ears and doesn't give you any pain even if you are plugged in for several hours. So this was it in this review. Please let us know about the video in the comment section below. And for more such videos, subscribe to India TV. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.